So gentlemen, when we're here, when I do that body weight, I don't stand directly behind my partner. That's a no-no. I'm going to stand to the left of my partner. Side of my right chest or shoulder and my right hip. Shoulder's going to go forward first into that body weight.
Always be the shadow of your partner. Right?
We're not going to do it from back here. I'm not going to bump chest my partner, okay? That's very uncomfortable. So I'm going to be to the left of my partner. She's going to be
So
on the
at
right.
most, I'm connecting to this leg. So if you tip anything in your pocket on the right hand side, please, anything, move it to the other side. Okay.
And you're leading it from your right shoulder and chest area, okay? On the side of your partner, please. Okay.
The pack.
Matter.
5, 6, 7, we have basic. 1, 2, 3, switch position. 5, 6, 7, elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, duck, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, switch, and 5, and whip for the ladies, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, connect, and 1, 2, 3, look away, 5, come back, 7, second half, 1, 2, 3, and shoulder, 6, 7, 8, rainbow, 1, 2, 3, switch hand, 5, 7, sweep, 1, take your time, and 5, together, and here we go, gymnastics.
Cross, gentlemen, as you
Back
turn.
bend, 5, 6, 7, 8, and
Toss.
1, 2, 3, and 5, be dramatic, 7, 8, 1, okay? Yes?